Hi, my name is Angus Ho with Daddy Dad, a part of the Ash Management Group. I want to show how you can budget as a full-time engineer, make real estate investments, and live an exceptional family life as a dad. So, come along with me in this journey of wealth. As the new year is beginning and 2021 is starting, I want to take a new direction with Daddy Dad. As I am beginning to prove out the model of YouTube and figuring out what is sustainable and what isn't, I just know that Daddy Dad will have to be done doing things that I'm passionate about. The two biggest things I love are finances and education in an entertaining and exciting way. To accomplish my passion, I want to discuss a little bit about the changes and the new direction Daddy Dad will be doing for 2021. Before I get to the new direction, I want to talk a little bit about what things will not change. The channel Daddy Dad has the original mission that I'm just an everyday dad working hard as an engineer and budgeting hard. Then I found out about the Ash method and strategically invested my wealth into the stock market and the real estate market. Therefore, the engineering, stock investing, real estate investing, and enjoying the family life will all remain the same. The goal in helping and educating others to reach their dreams, whether it's that dream house that you've always wanted, to live in, travel the world, and relax however you want, or become financially independent, retire early, is still the same. I will continue teaching the YouTube community about the Ash method of accumulate, save, house in this channel. Videos will also continue to be released 2 times a week on Monday and Thursdays. Many things about this channel will stay the same, so for those that start to worry, those things are going to stay. Now, let's get into the changes of Daddy Dad. As a quick overview, some of my thoughts are rebranding, increasing my social media presence, and more types of videos. So, without further ado, let's dive deeper into these ideas. The first is rebranding. One thought that I had was renaming my channel. As I am out of debt, I thought it was only befitting if I changed my channel name to something like Debt Free Daddy. If you like this channel name, make sure you tell me by smashing that like button. It's super simple, doesn't cost anything, and will help you get better content in the future. Another thing I want to do is change my channel header, profile pictures, and just rearrange my channel to look more professional. If you have any tips or links to videos that can help me with that, please, if you could leave a comment down below. That would help me so much. This rebranding process is all for you guys to decide how I should do it. The second thing I want to do is increase my social media presence. Did you know that I am on Facebook, Instagram, and I have my personal blog? Well, I do, and if you don't know, make sure you do. If you're interested, I have a Daddy Dad Facebook group that is open to join. You can talk about anything you want, personal finance, questions about investing, achieving FIRE. Then on Instagram, I post there daily about financial topics, motivational quotes, and another great place to talk about financial situations. You can also follow me on Twitter as Daddy Dad. I make new tweets about my new videos there. The last place and what I want to do is update my personal blog to be more professional. You can find me at daddydad.ashmanagement.ca. Once I have it more organized and professional, what I want to do is also post about my personal life, my adventures on traveling, and load all the tools and resources there. This is essentially my plan for pushing my social media presence. Now, on to the last and the most important thing, the changes to the Daddy Dad YouTube channel. What I want to do is to start categorizing my videos into 4 different types of videos. The first type will remain the same. They will be Daddy Dad educational type videos where I continue to educate my viewers about personal finance. investing, and achieving financial goals. Goals like where I am at running a side company, Ash Management, that manages over $3 million in properties, traveling the world with my wife every year and living in the 2,000 square feet house. Until finally I became a millionaire. Okay, 95% plus of the way there. These videos will be very similar to stuff you would hear from Graham Stephan or Andre Jick. The second category of videos will be like the Daddy Debt videos, but will be more geared towards kids and teenagers. I will go over a simple concept like saving and will have more games and mathematical questions that hopefully parents will enjoy with their child. These videos will be more for family fun, and this is to bring out the daddy part of the channel name. The third category will be more entertainment. These videos will be reaction videos like Graham Stephan reacting to millennial money. These videos are more designed for changing mindset, philosophical, and how not to think and how to think. These videos will be a feel-good kind of video and really for educational and entertainment purposes. The fourth type of videos are stock investment type videos. I officially decided to do one like all the Robinhood and 212 app trading videos that I see all the time. Unfortunately, here in Canada, I am not able to open those kinds of accounts. The equivalent apps are, however, Questrade and Wealthsimple. I will fund a small amount into these apps for comparison to simulate my main portfolio. I want to do a monthly update on my trading apps in Canada. The next thing I want to do is a quarterly update about me. These videos will be about my life changes, your questions about me, and any developments and achievements in my life. My plan is to slowly introduce these videos in to see the response before committing to these changes. I hope you enjoy these new styles. I want to make all these changes because these are topics that I'm super passionate about, and by putting my passion into these videos, I can get everyone excited as well. This is much more sustainable for me because creating content isn't always easy. Also, I hope that it provides more quality content. My last hope is that it reaches a larger audience, then I can educate more people. I hope you guys will love this new format and that you will gain so much more from this. Lastly, before I leave, I want to thank all my loyal supporters so far in making Daddy Debt what it is today, and I look forward in seeing you for the rest of 2021. If you would like to hear more budgeting, engineering, or real estate tips, please leave a comment down below on what you want to hear. Smash that like button, subscribe button, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos every week on Mondays and Thursdays. From the Ash Management Group, this is Daddy Debt, saving you money.